Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am participating in a collab hosted by Hilary at Old World Home, and it's called the $5 Goodwill Christmas Challenge. And I have never participated in those challenges before. I've missed them every time she gives one. I think it's like every season, and I keep saying I'm going to participate, but this time I'm going to participate, and again, it's hosted by Hilary at Old World Home, and it's called the $5 Goodwill Challenge, $5 Goodwill Christmas Challenge. So stick around and see what I'm going to make out of my little $5 purchase. So everything that I have here is from the Dollar Tree, with the exception of this, came from Goodwill. Some pine cones that I cut off of a few picks. The bulbs are from the Dollar Tree, you'll recognize. And I have some hot glue that I'll be using. Oh, and this paint is from Walmart, and I'll be using a little bit of this white acrylic paint. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I want to thank Hilary at Old World Home for hosting this Goodwill, $5 Goodwill Christmas Challenge. And I'll leave the information to her channel in the playlist below in the description box. So let's get started on my $5 Goodwill piece. Luckily for me, there was already a hook on this. Previous owner, I guess, placed a hook on this, so that made it easier for me. So now I'm going to start to glue in some of my bulbs. I saw something similar to this wreath in Big Lots, and if you go to my Big Lots Christmas shopping video, you'll see what I'm talking about. There was a video, a picture of a beautiful wreath, white wreath, that was like a furry wreath that had like champagne bulbs all over it. think it was about, what, $17, $18. Keep touching here because I want to make sure that I don't veer too far off center where the hook is. But like if push comes to shove, I can always move the hook. So now I'm going to play with this a little bit to see where I need to place my pine cones. Thanks for riding with me, folks, and have an awesome, awesome day.